over here.
That's cool. It's got a light in it so we can see.
Does that thing not rotate?
Yeah, what's the race?
We got should create plasma.
We're starting with the lowest thing first.
Plasma around.
Now when I hear noise.
One's going down.
Oh, it's like disintegrating and smoking.
It should create plasma.
Okay.
It is. It's smoking. Look at it.
Well, the stupid thing's not rotating. It's rotating.
The glass isn't on.
You want a napkin? We're blowing shit up and he's got a napkin?
I'm doing what he's
We're supposed to be on the napkin, I'm telling you.
It's not. The glass isn't on the thingy, right?
Well, someone's here to check. Or
Damn it.
It's Jack.
It's just smoking.
Or
Just open it up. Just open it up.
yeah.
It's just grapes, man.